Now I'll show you how to pack up the XT14E. It is so quick and easy, just like the setup. When packing up the kitchen, first step is turn off the gas at the bottle. So turn off the gas bottle firmly, then you can unscrew the fitting by turning it to the right. If you've retained the little plug insert for your gas bottle, put that back in and that'll keep dust and water out of the fitting as well. Then release any gas pressure through the cooktop and that'll make it much easier to disconnect the bayonet fitting. So to remove the bayonet, push it in, turn it to the left, out it comes, and then we can return our little black dust cover. Packing up the kitchen, grab our wind deflector, lift it, then fold it over and lock it backwards into its little grooves. Now we can fold our bench back over and return the little bungee straps into their position to lock it down so there's no rattles while we're traveling. Remove the support leg and again press down on the blue tab and we can slide our kitchen back into place. Give it a little nudge, make sure it locks in, and most of all, return the pad bolt to its position. That will 100% secure it. Put our stabilizer leg away. Kitchen's packed. Packing up the awning is easy, simply the reverse of setting it up. Flick the switch and pack the legs away. Fold the legs up, push the hinge in, lock the leg in, legs locked in. It's a good idea just to support the fascia, hang on to it, especially if there's a little bit of wind. Make sure that nothing unexpected happens. Pack up the step, similar to the setup. Press down on the bar at the back, lift the front of the step, then push it away. Or, if your hoof's big enough, press it down with your foot, push it away as such. Now I'm ready to lower the roof. I've checked that there's no items on top of cupboards, everything's clear for the roof to come down, and I can simply press the button. And while the roof comes down, I can get on with moving my car over, getting ready to hitch it up and get out of here soon. The last piece of the pack up is returning our latches back into position to secure the roof when we travel and putting the lift pins in to make sure the latches can't come undone. Push the latch up and over, lock it onto the lip and pull it down. Now we can put our little linchpin in there, snap it over. Do that on all four corners and you're ready to roll. So now everything's packed up and switched off. I can switch off all my power. Now remember, if you're running a fridge in the fridge slide, you need to leave the main power switched on and power to the DC outlet in the fridge running the whole time. That way everything in that fridge will stay cool. If not, you can simply just turn off the entire main power system, hook up your caravan and get going. Before moving on to our next campsite or setting home, we have to pack up the stabilizer legs, all four of them. Put the brace on and wind it up. Now we release with the blue handle, lift our stabilizer leg up into position and give it a wiggle, make sure that blue handle locks back into place. Do that on all four and we're ready to move on. Now we're packing up, we can pack up our hot water system. So we've turned off the gas, we've turned off everything at the switchboard. We need to return our covers to their original position. So put the trimmer cover back on as such, close up the dust cover, and that's done. So that's how we carefully and properly pack up the XT14E.